8BA board 80 thousandths, now displacing 252 cubic inches. Ist Max 1 cam, Reds headers, Offenhauser 425 heads, Offenhauser 4-barrel intake, 390 Holley, Mallory electronic ignition with an e-coil. Truck is a 1941 Ford pickup, painted dark Ford metallic, purchased in 2009, completed 12/12 of 12. Headlights, integrated turn signals, front bumper original re-chromed, front wheels 5x16 original wheels, rear wheels 8x16 on the banjo rear end. Interior, full complement of Stewart Warner gauges, GPS speedometer, cup holder. Inside, under the seat, is the stereo interface. Head unit is an iPhone 5 with a 420 watt Blaupunkt amplifier and 6-inch kicker speakers mounted in kick panels. Father's barn. Three reproduction pieces of sheet metal on the truck. One is the tailgate. Someone had put a 40 on it. The other is the lower pan below the tailgate with the custom inset for the license plate. And the last piece of reproduction sheet metal is the front stake bed on the passenger side. Everything else is original Ford sheet metal. Spare tire cover, a gift from the grandchildren, December of 2012 for Christmas. Inside, 3-inch Simpson lap belts. In the center is the interface cable for the stereo. Top loader 3-speed was retained. As I said, the dash is Stewart Warner. The speedometer is GPS driven. The only switch on the dash is for the headlights. Everything else is handled by toggle switches. Electric wipers from a Volkswagen. Here's the control unit for the stereo. Can't get a focus on that. There it comes. And the 4-way flashers that are integrated into the new headlights. The truck runs out great, turning about 3,500 RPM at 65. The stance is due to a Posey reverse eye front spring and a custom designed coil over rear setup using the standard banjo rear end.